Hey there, Jamie Davidson with AMZ Insiders, and I saw you haven't yet booked a call with us to see if we're a good fit to help you build your very own Amazon business. So I thought maybe you're not clear yet on exactly what it is that we actually provide and what all you get with us as part of our program, as part of our inner circle. So as part of this program, we're literally gonna give you everything that we know, everything that we've learned, and put it in a very easy to use format that you can literally follow step by step. The first thing we're gonna talk about is mindset and productivity tools. This is one of the most important things and something that we're gonna show you. This isn't a bunch of fluff. This is actually very tangible step-by-step things we're gonna show you, including how to even set up some apps on your computer, things so you can be laser focused to execute on all this really important stuff with your Amazon business here. Then I'm gonna go to one of my favorite topics, which is your winning product selection. I'm gonna show you the exact strategy we use to select our products and the process that literally we're using today for each of our new brands that we're constantly launching our new products. We're gonna show you this step by step. The next thing we're gonna go through is I'm gonna show you exactly how to position your business for success. This is stuff that a lot of people don't think about until they get into the business, whether you set up as an individual business, as you set up as a partnership. We're gonna show you in a very succinct way how you should go ahead and set your business up so you don't need to worry about it and you protect yourself and you're ready to rock and roll here. The next thing we're gonna talk about is product sourcing, all right? Call it product sourcing secrets. This is absolute gold in terms of how to find suppliers, what questions you should ask, how to negotiate price, how to make sure you get good quality. We're gonna show you how to do this efficiently here. This next topic here, we're gonna go through how to build your brand. It's the reason why our model is held up and why we've been so successful is because your brand is everything. When you're selling your product, the asset you're building, the value, the cash that's coming to you is all in your brand, because your brand is literally what you can eventually sell. And you really want to make sure you're understanding how to do this cohesively and how to do this the right way, along with listing creation. We just literally give it to you so you don't need to worry about it. So you can focus on the more important stuff of things, making sure you've got the right product. And this next topic, which is probably my absolute favorite topic, launching and ranking secrets. And this is the area that probably most people come to us for. They want our expertise. They see our huge sales. We're showing you exactly what's working for us today. And the reality is, thing in business, things are always changing. There's a lot of nuances. So we're always tweaking things. And if you get this right, that is what's going to lead you to success on Amazon. We're going to make sure that you understand exactly what you need to do there. The advertising strategy goes hand in hand. People are there trying to buy products. They want to buy from you, but they have to know you're there in order to do that. And so how you do that? Well, you got to make sure you rank your product well, and you need to know how to navigate the advertising platform to really put your product at a huge advantage over your competition. And the last thing that's really, really important, I call the Amazon review secrets. I'm going to show you step by step how you drive reviews, how you do it ethically, how you do it within Amazon's terms of service. So we're going to help you get on the right track and create the system, right, that helps you consistently get more and more reviews. So all of this stuff, we continuously update. It's all included for life. You're gonna have access to this ongoing. This is not a one-time deal. And beyond that, there's a couple additional things we include with this. So we're also gonna include our actual product launch case studies for you. This allows you to see from start to finish literally what we're doing in action. In addition to the things we just show you how we do it, then we're gonna show you how we did it, and you can literally look step by step how we did it. We're also gonna give you all of our Amazon softwares that we use. There's thousands of softwares out there. So we're gonna streamline this for you and show you the exact ones we use and the ones we recommend. So that way you can really stay focused on growing your business. This topic here is awesome. Once you've had some success, if you've already been selling on Amazon, you may be ready for this earlier, is international expansion. The international expansion is a huge opportunity. We've grown our profitability a ton the last few years. Literally, you can take your one product and have a global business, but you need to know how to do it, right? You want to learn from someone who's done it before. This last part is called building your business to sell. You can see I've got a big pile of cash over here. When you sell your brand, right, and there's lots of people that want to buy it, they don't want to build it from scratch. You can have huge paydays, and then you can decide, hey, I'm done. I want to go travel the world. I want to take a break, or you could start another brand. And that's exactly what we do. We launch new brands all the time. This is my favorite part of this whole business. Direct access. You're going to get live one-on-one access directly to us to help you guide through every step of this, to make sure any question you have, any piece that you need help with, we're here for you. In addition to that, we also do live trainings, right? These aren't recorded trainings, these are live interactions. Also get access to our exclusive Insiders private Facebook group. This is basically your networking group for life of entrepreneurs building their Amazon businesses. plus ourselves. We're in there providing live value. We'll go live in there. We'll put videos. So you have access to this. This is your network for life. It's a great community and really supports with the live training plus the one-on-one access. You have everything you need. Like literally, we're giving you everything that we have in a way that's not overwhelming, that it's step-by-step, but you have the support that's customized to you. So I hope this overview gives you a much better understanding of everything that's included with our program, why so many people are excited to come aboard and learn from us. So I encourage you to click the link below and book a call with us. We're offering this opportunity to literally jump on the phone with you and understand more about you, understand your goals, help you get clarity towards those goals, and to see how we may be able to help you achieve those goals. If it's a good fit, we can talk about how we can help. If not, that's fine too. But click the link, book a call. Look forward to talking to you soon.